everybody, my name's Neija and welcome to ABC with Neija B. Neija B. Today, we're going to learn about letters and their sounds. The letter of the day today is A. Do you know what sound A makes? That's right, it says ah. Try to sound together. Ah, ah, ah. Great job. Let's sing a song to help us remember what sound A makes. The A says ah. The A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A says ah. Now it's your turn. Let me hear you. Good job. You guys are great singers. Now let's trace the capital A. You can use your finger to trace with me. Get your magic finger ready. Let's practice the lowercase a. Now it's time for the magic drum. We're gonna say the magic word, and then there's gonna be something that says A inside. Then the magic drum, and the magic drum. Something special, what could it be? Never could that go, close your eyes, everybody. No peeking. Let me give you a clue. It's red and it's the shape of a ball. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's an apple. I hope you had fun learning about A today. Next time join me on ABC with Neija B. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel.